Morning students, welcome to English class. Let's move on to next question, that is question number 6. Here students, in question number 6 they have given us a new topic. Let's know about it and then we'll answer the question. Before moving on to question number 6, we will learn the topic here given is about simile. We will learn what is simile. Okay children, a simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two entities using words as or like. Means two entities means two things we compare it. We compare two things using the word as or like. Like for example, the girl is very sharp. Okay, very sharp like cheetah. Just we compare it. Example as cheetah. Okay, or like a sharp king. Okay, like a king. That girl is very wise like a king. In this way we compare it. Just we say, okay, you are very good girl, you are very wise. Normally we say the sentence, but when we use as or like and compare it, it becomes a powerful sentence. It you feel good to listen it. Like we'll say, you are very clever. Okay, you are very clever in the class. Like, so we'll explain it with some other thing. Okay, with cheetah or something which feels better. So this type of sentences are called simile. So what to do children? This what is in the board here? Simile's definition is there. First write this definition. Whatever is given on the board, the example, first write this example. Then we'll move on to the answer. So I said simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two entities using words. Entities means two things. As or like. We'll use as or like and complete the sentence. So children, there are, like we have learnt, we know parts of speech. Okay, there are out of 8 parts of speech we have learned 2 or 3, like noun, pronoun. In last time we learned about verb. In last time we were learning about adjective, isn't it? So some 3 or 4 parts of speech we have learned. Some more we learn in upcoming class. But this simile comes under figures of speech. Okay, so there are 10 figure of speech. Just for knowledge I am telling, there are 10 figure of speech. Amongst them we will study one figure of speech, that is simile. Out of 10 figure of speech, the topic now we have is simile. Amongst 10, now we will at present we study about only one, that is simile. So simile is also figure of speech. So what is figure of speech? Figure of speech is different from the ordinary form of expression. When we express, okay, I like it, it's very good. In this type of formation, we'll do it with some more expression using as and like. So that type of speech is called figure of speech. See, for example, here it is given on the board. You copy this thing, then you can answer the question. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares to entities using word as or like. Write this definition first. So the example, we say the baby is cute. If you see some babies, okay, or you will meet some babies and you will say, oh, what a nice, very cute baby. Okay, we will feel happy saying that. But in simile, what we do, this is an ordinary speech. Just ordinarily we'll say, commonly we say. But when we say that the baby is as cute as kitten, but when we say we compare the baby with kitten, we'll say that kitten will be so cute, isn't it? Small kitten, how beautiful it looks. We will compare it. We'll say that the baby is as cute as a kitten. When we compare two things, two entities means two things. When we compare, this above sentence has greater effect. Second sentence has greater effect. Okay, you will feel very nice. Some pressure we have given to that sentence than the ordinary sentence, because this is world of competition. As this world is of competition, what we do, we try to express the sentence, okay, with another word, okay, with another thing, and we compare it. These types of sentences are known as simile. So this type of sentences are known as simile. Here in the book 2 examples given. One more example is given. The water sparkles like glass. Means, of course, daily we are in touch with water, we drink the water, isn't it? This means that what we say, yeah, water is very, we drink the water, we use the water. But here they have described the water as a glass. This means that we say that in a pond, water shines like glass. When we see a pond, okay, when we see a pond, it looks like a glass from far away, isn't it? We say that, oh, it's a glass is there. Or sometimes in TV we say, oh, they say, what a beautiful glass. It sparkles, it shines, and we just jump down. When you jump down, we come to know that water is there. So here water is compared to glass to give us more understanding. The water has been compared to glass, like it shines very beautiful in a pond when water is there. It shines like a glass. Sometimes you observe that, okay, in a pond. If you see, it shines beautiful, clean water should be there. It shines like a glass. So here they have explained the water sparkled like a glass. Here they have said that water is sparkling or shining like a glass. So this type of sentence is using as, like. When you see such type of sentences, these sentences are simile sentence, and this give us more understanding about the thing. Like water, we understand it more. It is like a glass. It looks like a glass. It sparkles. Okay, children. So with this explanation, let us write the answer of this question. In the next board, I'll given the answer of this particular question. So the question is, mention the two similes in the poem. Explain how they are similar to the things they have been compared with. So first write this definition from the board, then copy the question, and then the number 6 answer will be start. So answer will be given in the next board. You copy that and try to understand little. You just think that where the word as, like will come, that types of sentences are called simile. Like you see that girl is, or that girl runs very fast, like a, which animal runs fast? Cheetah. Okay, anything like a cheetah means we are expressing that girl beautifully. Okay, we are expressing the sentence. So this type of sentence is called simile. Or what you say, the girl sings like a bird sings sweetly. Do you know? Yes, the girl sings like the girl sings like a bird. So we are describing that how the girl sings beautifully. Okay, children, try to understand it. And for this question, just this grammar is at present. We'll learn about this only one topic, and let us answer the question. We'll answer in the next board. Let us see. Thank you.